Yeah, my name is Pugalindi. I am having a Skoda Octavia. These things, so I bought it on that is 2 years back. But as concern for the Skoda Octavia service and the service executives and everybody is excellent. They are giving the commitment and the quality aspects and everything is excellent. And also this service environment and the service area is are very cleanliness and excellent these things, and they are keeping us a service commitment, that is a delivery commitment is very prompt with these things, and everything is there is no remarkable. These things are as well as and for the sake of quality and for the sake of commitment and for the sake of quality cost, and the entire thing is superb. Then why I selecting the Skoda Octavia? The reasonable thing is one thing is very clear. It's very minute engineering. So that's why I selected Skoda Octavia. That's all. Very nice. Thank you.